Hi everyone, we have all been hearing niacinamide everywhere. So let's first understand, is it really worth the hype and what's the fuss all about? Niacinamide is a form of vitamin B3 which stems out of its versatility in addressing various multiple skincare concerns. Niacinamide has numerous skincare abilities and can also assist with acne scarring. Now, those people who experience acne scarring will understand the frustration of blemishes which come around your facial skin at the most inconvenient times. Without proper care, the appearance of acne scars can really take a lot of time to go away and can be very concerning. By incorporating niacinamide, it can really address to the issue of acne scarring, along with which it also stimulates the collagen production by breaking down the excess melanin and reduces the occurrence of dark spots and pigmentation. If you choose the right products, there is no doubt that you can totally achieve healthy, beautiful, glowing, well-nourished skin. I totally ensure to incorporate a good niacinamide serum in my daily skincare routine. Now, when I'm talking about a niacinamide serum, I'm not just talking about any serum. I am referring to the Dermaco's 10% niacinamide serum that comes with a cutting-edge deep penetration formula, which definitely ensures better absorption of niacinamide, making every drop more effective than ever. Why I truly feel that this is India's number one niacinamide serum is because it has the deep penetration formula. It is safe and designed by dermatologists, recommended by dermatologists, and this is the one that I approve. If you're someone who's already using a niacinamide serum, double check that if your serum has deep penetration formula, because not all serums have deep penetration formula, which means that it doesn't go deep into your skin. And if it doesn't go deep into your skin, what's the point of using such a serum? How I know that the niacinamide serum by the Dermaco has deep penetration formula is exactly what I will prove it to you now. Put a few drops on top of a tissue roll and see how well it penetrates till the bottom of the roll. While on the other side, I'm using just any other niacinamide serum, and if you notice that it will just stay on the top layer of the tissue roll. So this is exactly how well it penetrates deep into the skin, while the other niacinamide serums may not have the deep penetration formula. You know guys, I have recorded my skin's transformation from the past 7 days. However, you may not notice drastic difference day by day, but if you compare day 1 and day 7, there is a visible difference. Now, after a week of using this serum, my blemishes, the acne scars on my skin have undoubtedly reduced. While having said that, my skin has also become much more even toned and it is glowing and it has just become much more clearer. So if you're also someone who's fed up of the acne marks, the blemishes, the spots on your facial skin, then definitely give this a try, the 10% niacinamide serum by the Dermaco, and trust me, you will notice visible changes within just 1 week. Also, I'm so glad that the Dermaco has empowered more than 20,000 students under the Young Scientists Initiative. So every time you make a purchase, they link your order to a child that they help to educate along with Bhumi Foundation. All the Dermaco products are available on their official website and also on Amazon, Nykaa, Flipkart and Purple.com. I will have all the product links in the description box below, so check them out and definitely let me know your review and feedback about this product. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you very soon. Bye!